I saw on TikTok, he said, "Don't replace me. Teach me to be the man you want." And honestly, yung say ko dun, it doesn't work that way. If your partner replaces you, that just means she realized that you can't be the person she wants you to be. And don't get me wrong, for sure binigyan ka niya ng chance. For sure she tried to make it work. Kaya nga naging kayo in the first place eh. Pero the fact na pinalitan ka niyan, hopefully hindi nag-cheat, diba? That just means that she gave up on the idea of you guys working out. And that's fine. That's totally fine. Kasi that's why you dated in the first place. That's why hindi kayo agad nagpakasal, because you wanted to know if mag-work out ba talaga kayo o hindi. And unfortunately, for you or for most, the answer is no. And that's fine. Ayun lang. Sorry na ko, bad. Mainit po talaga sa Pinas. Thank you.